Hi classes, today our revision assignment is chapter 11 Money Sadhana workbook. Coming to first one, Soni's grandmother gave her ₹75 on her birthday. She bought a doll for ₹195.50 after adding some money from her savings. So how much of the savings did Soni use to buy the doll? So here Soni's grandmother gave her ₹75 on her birthday. She bought a doll for ₹195.50 after adding some money from her savings. How much of the savings did Soni use to buy the doll? So here savings, grandmother is given ₹75 and savings are given. So total amount is the cost of the doll. So ₹195.50 plus 75 paise will get 50 paise. 5 plus 5 10. 1. 10 plus 7 17. 1 plus 1 2. ₹270.50, which is the correct option. Option 3. Next one rupees 5.25 plus 4.75. How much will get, children? So here 5.25, 4.75. So 5 plus 5, 25 paise plus 75 paise equal to 100 paise, children. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So here keep the 0 and 1 keep here. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 10. So 10 rupees, which is the correct option. Option 1. So here option 1. Next, a greeting card cost ₹75.50 and Rita purchased twice such cards. How much money did she spend in all? You know the cost of one greeting card. You have to find the remaining greeting cards cost. So here ₹75.50 into 12. So 2 zeros 0, 2 5s 10, 1, 2 5s 10 plus 1 11, 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1's place should be 0, 1 0 0, 1 5 5, 1 5 5, 1 7 7, 0 0 1 5 plus 6, 5 plus 5 10, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9, 906 rupees. What is the answer? 906 rupees. So the cost of 12 such cards equal to 906 rupees, which is the correct option. Option 3. Next one. Kamal had a plate of samosa for 32 rupees and a milkshake for ₹125.75 at a restaurant. How much did he spend? He paid. If he paid 200 rupees, what amount did he get back? So what we have to do, children? Here 2 operations we have to do. Which operations that? Which fundamental operations we have to do? That is addition and also subtraction. So first we have to add the how much he spent in restaurant. Then we have to add the total amount. Then we have to subtract the total amount. First add 32 rupees. 125.75 paise. So that is 57,751. So 157.75 it spent. So actually, how much amount he gave to at restaurant? 200 rupees. How much? 200 rupees. He spent 157.75. So here 0 minus, we cannot subtract 0 minus 5, 0 minus 7. So we have to take the regrouping. So from where we are taking? From 100 place, but we require only 1 rupee. From where we have to take? 100 place. 100 equal to, we can write here, this is 9, this is 9, it will be 100. 100 minus 75 is 25, 9 minus 7 is 2. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So which is the correct option, children? Option 42 rupees 25 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 4. Next one. Vimal had ₹625.50 paise and his friend has 5500 paise. Total amount both together has. So 5500 paise means 55 rupees. So we have to add 625 rupees 50 paise and 55 rupees. So what did you get? 0, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. 6. So what is the answer? 680 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Both together have 680 rupees 50 paise. Here what is the given one? Paise is given one. 55 it will become 5500 paise. It is nothing but 55 rupees. What is the answer, children? Option 1. Total amount both together have 680 rupees 50 paise. Next 25 into 4. So 4 25s are 100 rupees. What is the answer? Option 2. Next one 2010 rupees and 75 paise. How can we write 2010 rupees and 75 paise? So what is the answer, children? 2010 rupees 75 paise. Option 3. Next one. If the cost of a pen is 50 rupees 50 paise, then the cost of 15 such pens are. So you know the cost of one pen. Can we find the 15 pens? Yes. So which fundamental operation we will use, children, here? That is nothing but multiplication. So we have to use the multiplication, that is 15 rupees 50 paise into 15. So 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 5 is 25. 2. 5 into 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. 2. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 how much? 7. So 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 1 is 1. 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 1, 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 2. 232 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Next, 6050 paise equal to how many rupees? So just we can write same number. Just we can write this point here, because 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Like 6050 paise equal to how many rupees we get? 60 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 3. Next one, 8 rupees 50 paise plus 95 rupees minus 5000 paise. So here 8 rupees 50 paise plus 95 rupees. So first add 0, 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1, 10. 5000 paise is nothing but, what did you get, children? It will come 50 rupees. So we have to subtract 50 rupees from here. So 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 5 we cannot, it will become 10 while regrouping. It is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 53 rupees 50 paise. 53 rupees 50 paise while subtracting the given solution. So what is the answer, children? What is the option of the given one? Option 4. Got it, children? Practice once again. Thank you.